Friends, welcome to another video. This is a late night shopping haul. I went over to Walmart because I heard that Walmart was going to put blocks towards anything that wasn't essential. So I was like, I need to head over there and get stuff. And yeah, so I have a lot of cleaning supplies that I wanted to share with you. So let's get to it. All right, you guys. So here is some of my cleaning stuff and extra things. So I needed a new pad. The pad I have works just fine, but I wanted to get a secondary one because I am like obsessive compulsive with cleaning now. So not because of the COVID-19, you guys, just because something got in me and now I'm always cleaning. So my other one will get dirty. So while that one's dirty, I can use this one. So anyways, I should always have like one on hand. So a backup. This is about $8. It was under $8, like $7.48 or something like that. So I got the O-Cedar Pro Mist refill pad. I ran out of this today. If you guys were curious, I did a deep cleaning of my carpet video, and I used this. This is the stuff I used with water. So this works really well. This was $3 or $2.97. Mr. Clean with Gain, and this is my favorite scent for Gain, which is Midnight or Moonlight Breeze. I think it smells so good. I do absolutely love this glass cleaner. I think this is like the best, and it says it itself, so it's world's best right there. This was, I believe, just under, no, I think it was like $1.98 for this. So spray away glass cleaner. This stuff is amazing. I really want to do some deep cleaning in my bathroom. So I got this Kaboom Foamtastic with OxiClean. I love this stuff. I haven't used it for so long. I don't know why. But because I think I got on like that kick of using all natural stuff constantly. So I'm excited to use this. I'm probably going to clean my bathroom tomorrow for sure, actually. My bathroom really needs it. But this was like $3.88 for this. So it's kind of spendy, but I think it's worth it. This is a repeat buy. I actually still have some left in this, but see, it's not a whole lot. I love this stuff. So I got this one. They only had the apple scent, so I got this. This was just under $5. And then this right here is also a repeat buy. I have this right here, but as you can see, it's kind of running low. I love, 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 love that stuff. So I got that. This was just under $4. This is this is the Dawn Power Wash spray. This works fantastic, you guys. And then this right here is the Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaning spray. This is all natural. It smells lavender and argan oil. It is amazing. It works so well. I love it. So this is a repeat buy. So I was there also to look for a Lysol disinfectant wash because I like to use that in my my laundry for stuff that needs to be disinfected. They didn't have it at all, so I went online and I looked up what is another thing I can use, and white vinegar is an all-natural disinfectant. So I got this, and I know I used to use this for like backup fabric softener, so it softens your fabric. It does not leave a vinegar smell, so that's good. But it also disinfects. So I got this. This was under $3. So this is a gallon. It was like $2.70 something or $2.60 something. I don't know, but it was under $3 for a gallon of distilled white vinegar. This is a repeat buy. I'm actually burning it right now over here. See, this is like the world's best smelling candle right now. Like seriously, I live for this. It is the Better Homes and Gardens candle. It is the 18-ounce one. Lavender lemonade, you guys. This is a must. You got to get this. It will give you an uplifted feeling, and it just smells so good, and it has a great throw to it. It is definitely worth it. It is under $6, so it's like $5.97 I believe, or $5.96, but it is definitely worth it. It is amazing. I also got some bananas. Those were under $2 each. Like one of them was $1 and this one was like $1.26 or something. I don't know. And then I also got some mouthwash. I never have shown this to you guys before, but I got the Equate brand. This was under $3. I got spring mint. So yeah, we needed that. And then I got this. I didn't have my normal one I normally get to lighten my roots, but this right here will hopefully lighten what is on there. Right now it's kind of like in between this color and that color, and I want it to be more like this color. So if I put this over it, hopefully it will be this color, because I just did my roots just recently, as you guys already know if you've seen my recent videos. So I got this L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cream. Hopefully it does not make my hair orange. I'm hoping. Oh, and this was just under $8. And then I got this right here because my wallflower is running out pretty soon, and I can't go to Bath and Body Works anytime soon because the mall is closed temporarily. So I got this Airwick Essential Oils. This smells really good, you guys. It's Summer Delights. This was under $5, and it seriously smells great. So I got that. And then I needed to get one of these. I just have never washed my washer before. So I got the Tide washing machine cleaner, and I have seen ads on YouTube for this. So I was like, I better get this. This was just under $8. So, and it looks like it has 3 pouches. So I guess 3 different times you can do that. You can use that. So that's a good deal for $8. So yeah, that's that, you guys. I also got a few extra things. These were only 50 cents each, so I got 2 pink plates, 2 gray plates. I'm thinking I probably shouldn't have got the off-white ones because these will probably stain super easy, but they're 50 cents each, so oh well. So I got 2 of those, and I got 2 of the blues. I think they're so cute and pretty. I love the colors. I have the matching cups for them. I just didn't have the white ones yet. So today I got the off-white 2 of them, 50 cents each, you guys. They're so cute. I have all the other colors, but I just don't have these ones. So I got those to go with the set. I got some wipes. I can only get 1 pack, they said. So I got this one. I like the shea butter smell. It's like $1.48 for that. And then I got this for Riley. Oh my goodness. For Riley. This is so cute. So cute. And if you look close, there's lightning bolts. There's dinosaurs. Oh my goodness. So cute. See right here. Good. Very cute. Super adorable. I think the price is a little high though for it, for like Walmart shirt. So it's $7.97 for a toddler's shirt at Walmart. I thought that was a little high, but I thought it was worth it. Super duper cute. It's gonna look so cute on him. So got that. And I got milk and chicken nuggets and shredded cheese. So I just want to share that all with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. All right, see you guys in my next video.